This is chapter 4, review question number 22 in your text there. And the text is McGraw-Hill Ryerson, Pre-Calculus 12. So it says, determine the domain for which the equation sine of theta equals root 3 over 2 would have the following solution. Okay? So they're going to give you the solution. What you have to identify is the domain. So for example, is the domain between 0 and 2 pi? Or is it between negative pi and positive pi, or what is it? So for example, now you asked about D, is that correct? B, you want to know about B. Okay, so if we look at sine theta equals root 3 over 2, now on your unit circle, right, sine theta, okay, so root 3 over 2, sine theta, first of all, it's cos theta comma sine theta, right? So sine theta is going to be the second one. So in quadrant 1, we're looking at 60 degrees, right? Or pi over 3. So theta, pi over 3 and 2 pi over 3, that looks like the first and second quadrants for A. Okay? Now, would there be, so this is where in the first, from 0 to 2 pi, we have these two solutions. So your domain here could be 0 to pi or 0 to 2 pi. For B, they're looking for, so pi over 3 is included, right? So that's this one. I'll use a different color. So pi over 3 is included. Also negative 4 pi over 3. Negative 4 pi over 3. So here's negative 1 pi over 3. Here's negative 2 pi over 3. Here's negative 3 pi over 3. And here's negative 4 pi over 3. Right? So we're talking about this one again, but it's negative 4 pi over 3. So the domain, it doesn't start at 0. It obviously has to go, to here, right, to positive pi over 2. But it also has to extend back to here, at least. And negative 5 pi over 3 actually is what? Is this one again. Okay? So let me just redraw that. So we have the first quadrant where we've got this pi over 3. We've also got the second quadrant where we have the negative 4 pi over 3, and then negative 5 pi over 3 would come back to this spot again. So the domain looks like it should be from, you can do closed or open brackets, I guess, doesn't really matter. But we've got to go negative 2 pi. So x is from negative 2 pi, between negative 2 pi and positive at least pi over 2. Actually just pi over 2 because we're not including positive 2 pi over 3. So it looks like this, I think. Okay, so we have to go back one full time around for B. And then we have to go up to pi over 2 as far as the domain goes. Okay?